guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. So today's video is going to be a new set. So first of all, let me start by explaining what's going on right now at this second. So my client, which is my sister-in-law, as I've said in plenty of videos, I have 4 sister-in-laws. So each of them come to me to get their nails done. So this sister, she broke her nail while she was at work. So as you can see, there is a line where she broke it at. So she came in for a cut down and a fill, and then just a polish change. She just wanted regular polish. She didn't want nothing special. So she broke her nail. So it's been like that for about 2 weeks. So the acrylic is broken. So instead of me removing the acrylic, I am going to shave down her nail as close as possible to her natural nail, and then I am going to fill in her nail over that, so that way once her nails grow out, that line of demarcation can grow out with it, so that way her natural nail will grow underneath it. So that's why I'm talking to her, explaining to her exactly everything that I'm doing, and I am going to be taking down the nail as close as possible to the natural nail, and then we're just going to apply a layer of acrylic, a new layer of acrylic on top of that. So we're gonna take this down, and normally I would be using my dust collector, but for the sake of the video, I did not have on my dust collector, which is why you see the dust flying everywhere. But definitely a dust collector is the way to go. If you guys need to get one, I will link one down below. I got mine off of Amazon and it works wonders. Also, if just in case you guys are wondering about the drill bit that I'm using, this is the extra coarse drill bit. I will leave the link down below. Like I said, I normally get all my nail supplies off of Amazon, because during this time I actually cannot go to my local nail supply store that I go to, but hopefully within a few weeks I'll be able to hit up the nail supply store where I normally get all of my things at anyway. But like I said, I will link this down below. This is not a safety bit, so please be careful when you are taking down any gel polish, any acrylic. When you go around the cuticle, make sure that you do not cut your client. This is really sharp, so please take your time. Again, this is an extra coarse carbide drill bit. So now you can see me taking down the entire set. These are actually her braider's nails that she had, because she braids hair. So I'm just taking off the gel polish with the extra coarse drill bit, and then I'm also going to cut down the acrylic with the same drill bit, and then we're just gonna shape them up. So as you see, we went ahead and we applied a base coat, and we are going to cure that in the nail lamp for 30 seconds. And then the color that she chose today was number 61, which is by D&D. You guys know I live by D&D products. I mean, I like any products that have good quality, but to me, D&D has affordable products, good quality. Like I said, the nail polish and gel set that I got is $6. You get $3 for the nail lacquer, $3 for the gel. So you cannot beat that. I will leave a link down below to where I get my D&D nail polishes. But again, she chose number 61, which is called WineBerry, which is a burgundy wine color. And it looks super pretty. Sorry that my hand is all in the screenshot. But yes, don't forget to get the free edge of the nail as well. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and polish these, and then we are going to cure in the nail lamp for 60 seconds. And then after that, we're going to apply our top coat and cuticle oil, and then we'll be all set. And as always, make sure that you clean up around the cuticle if you happen to get nail polish on the cuticle or on the skin. That is definitely an essential part to doing nails, so that way you will have a crisp and clean manicure. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I have her braider's nails that she originally had on my Instagram, so make sure that you go over and you follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7. Make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell, so that way you don't never miss another video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.